You are welcome to SL Prime Studio, and I'm hoping to share all details about Photoshop in details. You can be the SL Prime YouTube channel for future Photoshop tutorials that I bring you. Today I'm discuss about Move Tool. When you open Photoshop you can see Move Tool in upper corner of the toolbar. When you click the tool, your cursor change to Move Tool. Press V on the keyboard to open Move Tool quickly. I open new layer and I'm going to rename it as background layer. You always rename your layer in order to better identification. I'm going to open a picture from my computer. You can drag-drop pictures into Photoshop interface. Then you can move the picture on horizontal and vertical direction like this. Hold the right upper corner of the picture and scale it as small and large picture. Hold from the one side of the picture and scale same as previous. When I move my cursor onto the right top of the picture, the cursor changed like this. It means that now I can rotate the picture like this. Press Shift key and rotate the picture. You can see it rotates in 15 degrees one time. It is very helpful to stabilize the picture in desired angle. I hold right upper corner of the picture and scale it with pressing Ctrl key. You can see what happens to the picture. You can revise the changes via pressing Ctrl key with Z key in the keyboard. Now I open another two files into the Photoshop and see what happens to them. It's very easy methods. You can learn it very easy via repeating same step again and again. I'm explaining Move Tool with small examples. I hope to make big creative design with all these tools in later. So please be kind enough to consider that. I wanted to educate you about all details of Move Tool. When select the layers, you can see how select the objects. Before you moving an object, you should select Show Transform Control on the option bar. When it is not selected, you cannot see the transform margins of the object. It is difficult to identify what object is going to move at that time. So you will easy if you select the Show Transform Control on the option bar. There is one more important thing to understand. When I removed Auto Select on the option bar, you can what happens to the objects. Now I can move only one object. Did you see that? When I select the auto selection, I can move all object without clicking layers. Now I cannot move other object without selecting the layers one by one. This is very easy tool coming from the Photoshop, to do projects very quickly and easily. Now I want to move two objects at the same time. I select two objects and then I can move those objects together at the same time to the same direction. I select all object and move like this. I think that you learnt something from this tutorial. I'm happy to hear that. If you have any question or suggestion, please leave it on the comments section. I will be back with another Photoshop tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please feel free to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.